For the first time, the Scandinavian Time Attack Championship came to Finland, a country shaped by resilience, precision, and a love for speed. King of Finland took shape, a new platform for drivers, builders, and ideas. Let's meet some of the people who made motorsport history.
It's very cool feeling to race with that kind of car. This event has been great. This is the first one that I'm actually competing on myself, and everything has been very well, very nice in here. I love it.
Joo, kyllä. Ja mäkin toivon kaikkea hyvää tälle tapahtumalle, että niin lähtisi Time Attack uuteen nousuun niin sanotusti, että uuteen Attackiin vaan.